191st National Reconsolidation Month, Chahi Taret Khuntak Paningsing Thauram, based on Aikoi Amukhana Khuntak Laroi, has officially commenced at Kamanga Awapali in Assam's Cachar district, organized by United People's Front UPF of Manipur. The month-long event, based on the theme which will continue until January 9, aims to honor the unity and strength of the people of Manipur. On the opening day, a tribute was paid to the statue of Gambhir Singh, also known as Maidingu Chinglen Nongdrin Khomba, in a solemn ceremony. UPF President Nongthombam Rupachandra addressed the gathering, stating that National Reconsolidation Day, which is being observed on January 9 every year, will now be observed throughout the month. He said that the observance will be held at Cachar's Leng Onabi Pat on December 24. He highlighted the ongoing challenges faced by people of Manipur due to internal conflict as similar to the hardships endured during the 7 years of devastation. Rupachandra called on the people to draw inspiration from the forefathers' courage in fighting for Manipur's unity and sovereignty. He urged the people to remain steadfast in opposing forces attempting to disintegrate the state.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯔꯤꯀꯟꯁꯤꯂꯤꯌꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯔꯤꯀꯟꯁꯤꯂꯤꯌꯦꯁꯟ ꯃꯟꯊ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯣꯕꯖꯔꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯅꯕꯦꯝꯕꯔꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 5ꯗ ꯏꯂꯦꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯅꯤꯛ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯟꯠ ꯃꯤꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯂꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯆꯈꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯦꯝꯕꯔꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 12 ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯔꯥꯖ ꯒꯝꯚꯤꯔ ꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯋꯥꯄꯜꯂꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯟ ꯉꯥꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯖꯒꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯛꯆꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯗꯤꯁꯦꯝꯕꯔꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 14ꯗ ꯀꯁꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯡꯉꯣꯟꯗꯕꯤ ꯄꯥꯠꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯨꯕ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯈꯨꯟꯇꯥꯛꯍꯜꯂꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯊꯤꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯖꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯒꯅꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜꯗ ꯍꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯆꯠꯆꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯈꯨꯟꯇꯥꯛꯍꯜꯂꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯤꯝꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯖꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯡꯒꯪꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯖꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯖꯅꯋꯥꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 9 ꯃꯍꯥꯔꯥꯖ ꯒꯝꯚꯤꯔ ꯁꯤꯡꯍ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯗꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯖꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯌꯨꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯕꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ